Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There is no guarantees of making money in the markets and it takes you a long time to become a good trader. So be smart about the way you're trading. Also, grab a free trial right now to do a brand new Master Trader Lab monthly. We're going to learn every single month. You'll be learning techniques to help you become a much better trader. Click on the first link in the description below right now. Hey traders, John Howell here. In this video, I had a question asked of me before, which was, John, where do I think the market is going to fall to? And now and they talked about the Dow Jones and so on and so forth. So I'll look at the Dow Jones in this video here and talk to you about what I see what happened to the Dow Jones and where is the market likely to find a bit of support, bit of long-term support, and where's it likely to bounce, where's it likely to go down to. So that's what I'm looking at in this video through here. So let's have a look at this here. Firstly, what do we have here? We have a nice stair-stepping movement down, don't we, on this move. So notice how the sellers are continue to lower their prices. So we're expecting some sort of lower high through here as well too. That's the first thing that I do notice about the Dow Jones. Now, what I'm seeing through here, as you can see, we've had this big drop down and a bit of a rally up. We're likely to, we're likely to find a bit of resistance, but I'll get to that in a minute. But as you can see, we've got a bit of resistance through here. And where's that resistance coming from? That resistance, if I squeeze my chart up for last couple of years, notice all of these, look at all that support level or resistance through there. All that support level through there, that's support level through there. So if the market does rally up just even a little bit more, it's likely to find probably a bit of resistance through there, and it's probably likely to stop through there. So that's what I'm noticing. That's where the market, that's where the Dow Jones is right now on the short term. What the market's likely to do, and there's obviously no guarantees of this, is we're likely to start holding here and start to rally down. Now, where is this likely to start to drop to? Because you know, the market has pulled back a little bit, and now we're going through a bit of a bear market rally in the market. So where's it likely to go to? And if I squeeze my charts right up and I go to say my weekly chart, actually, you know what? Let me bring up my monthly chart here. You'll be able to see what I've got through here. So what do I have through here? I have a trend line that starts from the bottom of 09 through here. We pick up this point through here, which is 2012, and we got a lot of cluster of support line coming through here as well too, which comes in around about the 20 to 21 level in the Dow Jones. So when this thing starts to, or if this thing starts to roll over, let's go back to the weekly chart now. If this thing starts to roll over, as you can see, that we're probably likely to head back down towards this trend line, hold here, and then continue rallying down, which is this point through here. So when this thing starts to rally back down, I have a target of between the 20 and 21, depending on what sort of chart I'm looking at there. But around that 20,000 is definitely a really good level. Plus also there's a lot of support level through here around that 20, maybe 20 and a half. So that's where it's probably likely to get down to. And we have, as you can see, if we get down to that level there, we have a lot of support level through here. So that's where I believe the market's likely to get down to. And when we do get down there, that's where we're likely to find a lot of support through there. As you know, the trading is not an easy thing, right? There's so many areas you need to know in order to become a really good trader. You've got the foundations, you've got the chart reading techniques, you've got the trading systems, and also you've got the mindset and so much more that goes into becoming what I call a master trader. So I've created a program called the Master Trader Lab Monthly, where every single month I'm going to be releasing brand new trainings and help you understand all of the foundations, the chart reading strategies, the mindset techniques, everything that goes into becoming a really good trader. And now I'm giving away a free trial right now for the grand opening, and also I'm giving you a kickstart bonus package as well. The foundation to a successful trader, the chart reading techniques and the advanced chart reading techniques, millionaire trader mindset, and a bonus package as well too. This is for the grand opening of the Master Trader Lab Monthly. Click on the very first link in the description below right now to claim your free trial right now.